Just put the door valance in, and really it's a closet doorway which has no door on it, so this looks pretty cool. I'll back up, see how it goes with everything else, and over there is where we'll put the next one. So just say doorway valance. And one of the things that Amy had read was the Victorians used outside design elements inside. So I think this is kind of fitting, because if you look at that, and then if you remember the gazebo, which I maybe will be able to see here. I don't know if you can tell, but on the outer edge there, on the top, along the eaves, that's where the I had done the same idea. Oh, there's Amy with her goldens. Okay, I'm going to get working on the other valance.